Hello everyone and welcome to the review of the Powerfix Inspection Camera. This is from Lidl. This thing is an all-in-one kit, so it has a camera mounted on a gooseneck wire. It also has its own monitor and settings menu incorporated, so it's not just a camera that you can connect to a mobile device. It's a camera with its own dedicated monitor, and that's kind of handy in some situations. It also has a small lamp installed on it, and it comes in this travel case. So I'm going to take it out of that. Maybe here it will open more easily. And the storage case is actually nice and useful. And we are greeted by the manual, which is in several languages. Of course, if you buy this locally, it will probably include your local language, and it also has a lot of things explained here. And beside that, it comes with some really interesting accessories, and those are this type of needles and clamps. You get a very small mirror and a magnet and a hook and things like that, so you can use the camera to not only see things but act and repair things or get things from very tight places. It comes with this cable, which looks like a video cable, and probably this can be used to connect to a larger monitor. This is the station or the monitor, and yes, it has a video out port, so you can connect this actually to a much larger screen if you wish to. It also has a few buttons here which we are going to test right away. And the camera itself, this thing should work also in damp places. I don't know if it's fully immersible or not. That thing should be covered in manual, but it says that it can be used in drain pipes and wet locations. And the gooseneck is very nice. It's very firm, and it's not opened model. It's covered in a kind of silicone shell, so it keeps all things easy to clean and watertight. The connector here, it's metal, which is a good thing, and has an O-ring here that insulates it and secures it in place. So this thing can only be inserted in one position like that, and then you screw this on, and it's now fully secured just like that. I'm going to try to put this like this. Now I'm going to set up the batteries. It even comes with batteries included, and they are made by Mitsubishi Electric. It's not the standard battery that you get from China. And batteries are now installed. And let's see, does it power on? It has a power protection thing. If you just quickly press, it will not start, so it will not dp the batteries, but if you hold it on, it will start and work. And I have image, and that's the lens of my camera, and there's me. And let's see what else we can do from here. You can of course adjust the light intensity from this button and menu. You have magnification 2 times. It has 1.5 times and 2 times, It kind of keeps the quality decent. This button increases the screen brightness or decreases it. This will rotate the image in all four directions, so depending on the position of the camera you can rotate the image to understand what's happening better, and of course you can turn it off when you are not going to use it anymore. So as you can see, it's a really nice tool to check things up, and with the provided light and magnification you can really check things like the insides of this drone. And I don't know if you can see that on the screen, but you can really see things inside, and you can adjust the light so it's not shining around too much. So it's perfect for investigating things, and with the magnification it will help sort things out. So I really like this. It's really nicely built. The only con until now is the gooseneck itself, which is good quality, but it's very heavy, and it feels like it's going to break the monitor from here because there's a lot of weight on it, and you should take caution when you bend it. You should keep hand here and bend it, the metal part, and not hold the monitor and bend it from here, because you may force this plastic support here and it may break. That's my impression of it, because it weighs a lot. Other than that, it's a really decent tool, and I can't wait to put it to work. Until next time, bye bye.